Hi dears, Promise Beauty and Lifestyle. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your bright and clear facial cream hair. With just 3 ingredients, you are good to go. You'll be surprised at the result. Honestly, I tried this and it works well, so I decided to come and share with you this with just 3 ingredients. If you have pigmentation, if you have redness on your face that results to sunburn, if you have dark circle around your eye, this is a much watch video for you. Or if you want to brighten your face without harsh chemical products, watch this video. This video is for you. And please help me to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. You just need 2 products to make this pigmentation facial clay remover cream. Okay, so I have my aloe vera gel here. I'm going to be leaving the picture of this aloe vera gel. The container actually got broken, so I transfer it into this container. As you can see, it's very thick, very thick. You see, I turn it upside down, it's just intact. So if you don't get the original of this aloe vera, it's going to be watery. Someone got the one that is watering and is fake, original fake, but this is quite original. Even as I'm turning it upside down, as you can see, it just solid inside. So this original one, and it smells so good. And another oil I'm going to be needing is nano. This is nano half cast, okay, whitening oil. This nano serum, whitening oil, whitening serum. Okay, this serum, I've been using it for a long time now. It's very good. I'm going to be using this with the aloe vera to make, so works for some Moroccan organ essential oil. It's vitamin C oil, which we know that vitamin C oil is very good for the skin. It's brightening the skin. So this is whitening and glowing oil. So I've been using this for a long time now. I must attest to the fact that it works perfectly well. So when I sell all of these ingredients, in case you can't get the original one, you can contact me and buy any one that you want to make this your facial cream, or you want to get my sunburn remover cream, you can contact me. It's available and it works perfectly well. So this is the DIY here. So what I'll need, I'll just need 1 spoon of the aloe vera gel. So this is it. Hope you can see this perfectly well. 1 spoon of the aloe vera gel. It depends on the quantity that you are making, which determines how many spoon that you are going to be using. Okay, so I'm just going to be using now 2 spoons of this aloe vera. As you can see, it's very thick, it's enough. And I'm going to be adding my Moroccan essential oil into this mixture. So I just add 1 spoon of it into the mixture, and the next thing I will be needing is my nano half cast serum, okay, into this mixture as well. So this is how it is. I'm going to be mixing it thoroughly and very well. You mix it for like 2 minutes to 5 minutes. The more you mix it, the better it is. So I'm going to be stirring this perfectly well. When I'm done mixing it, you will see how it is. You see, it's becoming like cream. It was gel. You can see the color is transforming. So the thing is just for you to continue stirring it. That is like for 5 to, I stir this for almost 10 minutes, so you can see how it has turned to the cream itself. Now I hope you can see this. The weather is a bit dark. I think it's going to rain or something, but this is how it is. I hope you can see this perfectly well. So with just 3 ingredients, you are good to go with your Spotless facial cream. This is how it is. See how creamy it is. If you have aloe vera gel at home, the one in the picture here I'm showing you, and you have any oil, it can be vitamin E oil, it can be coconut oil, but make sure that you use something that will brighten up your dark spot or brighten your face like the oil I use. So this is how it is. It's just so simple for you to make, and it's very good, very nice. Okay, so you can use this for, can make use of this for a week, and it will not go bad. Even without preservative, it will stay for 1 week without going bad. After a week you can make another one. Okay, so it's just simple and easy for you to make. Very simple and easy facial cream. Very good, very good, honestly, because aloe vera help to soothe your face, so it helps, so it's very good, and it brighten up your complexion. So your face is getting darker than your body, you can use this recipe. It's very good. Have dark spots, pigmentation, dark circle around your eyes, sunburn. With time it will help you to clear up everything for you. So this is how to make your simple facial cream with just 3 ingredients. You are good to go. Within 1 week of using this recipe, you see an amazing and effective result. So this is how to make that face cream that it absorbs easily on the skin. So if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please help me to do so. And remember, good skin begins with good health. Do take care of your skin. Do take care of your healthy you in my next video.